What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the Apollo Neuro wearable device. This is a wearable tech that helps to balance your vagus nerve. Now, your vagus nerve runs from your brainstem all the way down to your gut, and it controls your autonomic nervous system. And this is important because the health of your brain, the calm, relaxed state of your brain, the calm, relaxed state of your cardiovascular system, and the calm, relaxed state of your digestive system and immune system are all controlled and connected by this master nerve known as the vagus nerve. And what I like about the Apollo Neuro is it's a very sleek wearable device that you put on your wrist, on the inside of your wrist like this. And once you turn that device on, once it's on your wrist like this, there's two buttons right here. You push those buttons, and as you can see that green light, it turns on, and it automatically begins vibrating. Now I have it on the calm mode, but there are 7 modes that the vagus nerve stimulating device, the Apollo Neuro, has. So there's a mode for sleep, relaxation, creativity, a social mode. So if you're going out and you're socializing, there's a mode for that. And there's a mode for focus. There's modes for really everything. And the way those modes work is essentially the vibration cadence and rhythm of that vibration changes from anywhere from 2 hertz up to, I believe it was 16 hertz for the different modes. So the slower that hertz, the more it's for a calming and relaxation state, and the higher those hertz, the more it is sort of invigorating for more, like, for example, focus, or the social mode where you're engaging with people and you want to have more awareness and alertness within your vagus nerve. So personally, I really like this device. It's the one device that I've got that I have so far. Well, I have 2 devices for my vagus nerve, but I like this one more than the other device that I have because the other device has this cord and it connects to your ear. And it works and I like it, and it gives you this kind of like cool ear tingle. However, I really like this device because it's very sleek and wearable, and I can move my hands anywhere and do anything at any time with it. So I can go for a walk, I can work. I wear it a lot when I'm working on my computer. I oftentimes wear it before I go to sleep at night, so I'll do like a 30-minute session. And I just use it very often, and even like social environments as well. I don't really change the modes a lot. A lot of times I just use the calm and relaxing mode because I want my vagus nerve to be calm and relaxed and in a parasympathetic state. I have found that my sleep quality has improved, and I just feel calmer overall at nighttime, especially when I use it. Typically I'll use it once or twice throughout the day. At nighttime I feel calmer and I rest and relax and sleep, and I just simply feel better overall. So I really like the Apollo Neuro because it gives me the capacity to control my autonomic nervous system wherever I am. It's great for travel as well, and it just goes right on your wrist. And it charges with the old Android cord, the USB-C or whatever cord. So it's very easy to charge. It's very quick charge as well because the battery is quite small. It's a small device. And it just gives this subtle vibration in your arm, and that is signaling your autonomic nervous system. It's signaling to calm your vagus nerve or to condition your vagus nerve in any of those 7 categories for social, focus, calm, relaxation, sleep, creativity, things like this. So I really like the device. I believe they're like $300. And as far as all the vagus nerve stimulating devices, this is my 2nd vagus nerve stimulating device. I'm actually getting a 3rd device here to test and compared to these 2 comparatively. So I'll have 3 vagus nerve stimulating devices, which is a bit excessive, but I do it to share my results and my feedback. What I like about this the most is it's incredibly portable. It doesn't get in the way of anything. It's on my wrist and I can move and do anything, working, playing, moving, lifting. I mean, I can use this device at any time. It's not waterproof, but I can use it at any time that I'm not in the water, which is pretty much all the time except when I take showers or baths or I'm swimming or whatever. So it's really nice in that way. And I like the different modes. And I've noticed that the different modes do really condition your nervous system, your autonomic nervous system, your vagus nerve in that way. So if I use the focus mode, for example, I notice that the cadence of that kind of gets me more in the zone. If I use the calm, relax, or sleep mode, I feel more zen and my nervous system feels calm, and I kind of just like rest into that. So I really like that this device, unlike many other vagus nerve stimulating devices, which are more conditioning your vagus nerve for calm and relaxation and sleep, this device particularly really focuses on giving you a wide range of vagus nerve stimulating hertz from, like I said, 2 to 3 hertz, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, all the way up to 16 hertz. So there's a nice range of hertz, where you can condition your vagus nerve to dial in whatever you want to. So I really like to be able to select the mode that I want my vagus nerve to be in at any given time based on my needs, wants, and demands. So I really like that, and I really like the portability of it. So the Apollo Neuro, honestly, so far it's my favorite device. I have one that connects to my ear. The next one I'm getting actually goes on your neck. So neck, ear, and wrist. So I'll be reviewing this next device on the channel. But if you want to see the other health and wellness tech reviews on this channel, make sure to check out the videos and check out Wellstar reviews below. Also, if you want to get a discount on more than 25 different health and wellness brands, discount codes, special offers, things like that, check out healthywildfree.com/shop below. And that link will take you to a bunch of vetted health and wellness brands that I have vetted as a health and wellness coach that will give you access to high quality products for sleep, diet, nutrition, fitness, posture, mitochondria, and so much more. So check out that link below. If you want to grab an Apollo Neuro, I'll put the link below to that with any discounts or specials they have as well. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments below about the vagus nerve, the Apollo Neuro, the Autonomic nervous system, or any other questions that you have. Make sure to check out Healthy Wild Free on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and social media. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.